Welcome to Shah's vlog. I bet you didn't know how computers actually see the world around us. Ever noticed how your social media app can recognize faces in your photos? That's not magic. It's computer vision, a branch of artificial intelligence. This technology lets computers interpret images and videos, recognizing faces, places, and objects. Just like our eyes and brain work together, computer vision uses cameras and smart algorithms to see and understand the world. When computers process visual information, they can interact more naturally. Think self-driving cars or medical devices that spot diseases early. It all starts with a picture, which to a computer is millions of tiny dots called pixels. Computer vision teaches machines to find patterns in those pixels, shapes, colors, and textures, to figure out what's in an image. It's like solving a giant puzzle, unlocking new possibilities for smarter, more helpful machines. From tagging friends to diagnosing illness, computer vision is transforming our world. Welcome to the age where machines can see. So, how do computers actually see? It starts with capturing an image, turning the world into digital data through millions of pixels. Each pixel is just a number representing color and brightness. The computer first cleans up the image, adjusting brightness, sharpening edges, so important features stand out. Next, it analyzes the image using algorithms trained on thousands of examples, searching for patterns like lines, shapes, and textures. By comparing these patterns to what it's learned, the computer identifies objects, just like a child learns to recognize a dog after seeing many dogs. Finally, it makes a prediction. This is a bicycle, or there are 3 people here. The magic is in turning raw pixels into understanding. This process lets computers not just see, but make sense of the world. That's the power behind everything from photo filters to self-driving cars. Computer vision is how machines learn to see and act. Computer vision is made up of several key tasks. Image classification lets a computer label a whole photo, like cat or beach. Object detection goes further, finding and marking specific objects within an image, crucial for things like self-driving cars. Facial recognition identifies and matches faces, powering features like phone unlock and social media tagging. Optical character recognition, or OCR, reads text from images, turning photos of documents into editable text. Image segmentation outlines the exact shape of objects, pixel by pixel, vital in fields like medical imaging. These building blocks help computers understand not just what's in an image, but where and how things appear. Each task brings machines closer to truly seeing the world. That's the foundation of computer vision. Computer vision is everywhere, often without us noticing. Your phone uses it for face filters, autofocus, and organizing photos. In healthcare, AI helps doctors spot diseases in scans faster and more accurately. On factory lines, cameras inspect products for defects, improving quality and efficiency. In retail, cashierless stores use computer vision to track what you buy and charge you automatically. Warehouses rely on robots with computer vision to find and move packages. This technology is making shopping, manufacturing, and medicine smarter and more efficient. It's a silent partner, working behind the scenes to improve our daily lives. Computer vision is already shaping the world around us, and it's just getting started. The future of computer vision is about machines that don't just see, they understand and act. Autonomous vehicles use it to navigate roads, spot hazards, and make split-second decisions. Drones in agriculture scan fields to help farmers grow more with less. As computer vision improves, it will solve bigger challenges in health, safety, and beyond. We're giving machines the gift of sight, creating partners that help us in new ways. From organizing photos to saving lives, computer vision is changing what's possible. The world is visual, And now, our machines can see it too. Imagine what comes next. Also visit Shah's vlog and subscribe for similar content.